Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Preply membership step by step clearly. To cancel your Preply membership, start by logging into your Preply account. Go to the Preply website and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon to display a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings to access your account options. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscription tab. Click on the Subscription tab to view your current membership details. Locate the Cancellation option, usually listed under your membership information. Click on the cancellation link to proceed. You may be prompted to provide a reason for your cancellation. Choose your reason from the options provided or enter your own. After selecting or entering a reason, confirm your choice. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the cancellation. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your membership has been canceled. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation for your records. Your Preply account will remain accessible until the end of your billing cycle. If you change your mind, you can reactivate your membership before the cycle ends. For any further assistance, consider reaching out to Preply customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.